How to remove and delete your Remitly account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Remitly account, so just make sure to watch the very video till the very end. In order to remove your Remitly account from its data and that you want to permanently delete it, all you have to do is first of all open the Remitly application on your phone. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, so wait for a couple of seconds until the app loads up fully, then just tap the gear icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you've done that, if you look at the very top of the screen, you'll find a section where it says profile information. Just tap on the profile information tab here. Once you tap the profile information, scroll down all the way to the very bottom, you'll find a section where it says close my profile. So tap on the red button or the text that says close my profile and then agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on the close my profile button and your Remitly profile will be successfully closed. If you want to unlock it, just try to log in. It should give you a prompt whether you want to activate it or not. If not, then just leave it at that. After a couple of days, your account is going to be successfully deleted. And that is it for today's video on how you can permanently remove your Remitly account and then delete them. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.